I saw your question in the email. Find 5 solutions to the equation. Select integer values x starting with -2 and ending with +2. Complete the table. So we're given the equation y equals 7x minus 7. It's an equation with 2 variables. So we're given the values of x, and we want to find these values of y. So I rewrote the equation here. Y equals 7x minus 7, and the first value we want to use is -2. X is -2. So we just substitute that number in, replace x with it, and do the arithmetic. You multiply, that'd be -14. You got to multiply before you subtract. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, or follow order operations. Then you subtract and you get -21. And you just want to repeat that for each of these numbers. So -1. So this time, instead of putting in a -2, we put in a -1. You multiply -7, subtract -14. So you can see there's the -21, there's the -14, and well, I'll let you continue on the others. I hope this helps.